So we're here to make some wilted greens, you know, color on our plate, using locally grown seasonal veggies. And so what I did here is I have some spinach, I have some Swiss chard, we have green onion, all this grows in our gardens here locally. And then we're going to add a little bit of a crunch with some walnuts here. You can use any nuts that you want. So yeah, so we'll get started, Paul, with your chef inspiration and expertise.
Yeah, so again, like I just turned that up and we'll, this is the oil, or the vinegar?
The oil, yeah.
Just add a little splash to it. And we'll toast the nuts, yeah. So this one I'm gonna crank up high.
See, this is great learning as well, because you know, we were chatting about how the heat matters a lot to bring out flavor, and you really need to know, you know, what's going on high heat, and you want to watch that smoke come up.
Yeah.
And we're not heating this for a long time because these burn really quickly, and then it's actually not safe to eat the burned product. So we're going to really watch it carefully. What's great about this recipe is there's a lot of fiber here. So if you're having something that's low fiber, you can pair it with this to bump up the fiber content. So you don't have to obsess about everything having to be high fiber on your plate, right?
Yeah, so again, you can hear that oil doing its magic, crisping it up, right?
Oh yes.
So we don't want it to really char on this one, right? So this one's almost good. We're just gonna put it back in here and let it cool. And then we can go on to the greens.
A couple of other things about spinach I wanted to share. One is that, you know, folks who are on a medication for blood thinning, it's called warfarin, often ask me, you know, am I allowed to eat green leafy vegetables? And yes, you are, as long as you keep them at a consistent amount every day. You don't want to add, remove. That can throw off the ability of warfarin to work because all of these veggies are rich in vitamin K. Having said that, you can include them, you just want to keep the amount consistent. If you need more information, check with your dietitian.
So this one, we're gonna do a little bit different than earlier. I'm actually gonna mince this one.
This is kind of your base, right? It's like you said, the replacement for your onion or...
Yeah, the garlic.
The aromatic, and the garlic.
And then again, we're just gonna create the same size stuff, right? So we're just gonna cut the shallot the same size.
Right, because you want it to cook at the same time. Yeah. That's great.
Again, right here, we're just adding, enhancing the natural flavors from all the greens, right?
Greens are loaded with vitamin A, vitamin C, lots of minerals.
So then we had this one on medium or low. I'll put it up to medium.
Okay.
So it's already been preheated, it's nice and hot, right? Give that a minute and then we'll add the garlic and then we can start adding some of the greens. We do a lot of smoothies at the house.
Ooh, smoothies,
throw some fresh spinach or frozen spinach in there, right?
Oh, that's a great idea.
A little bit more protein.
I love that.
So we'll just start throwing some of this in there.
There's some really nice smoothie recipes on the Kidney Community Kitchen website as well, which are a lot of fun if you want to get into some smoothies for snacks or for a meal. I really don't want to see you skipping a meal after you watch this segment, okay? Because there's lots of ways you can use these ingredients in snacks in your meals, and you know, you don't have to be fussy, you don't have to, it doesn't have to be perfect. You just need to make sure you take the time to nourish. That's really important.
And so we had the spinach, and I just did like a coarse chop. Again, you want it the similar size as spinach, right? So it's equal pieces.
You're wilting that down on high heat still? Yeah.
It's on a medium.
Medium, okay.
And then you want to grab past the broth.
Oh, sorry. This is the broth, So this is the homemade chicken broth, right, that we were using in our other recipes, in the duck recipe.
So we're going to add just a splash, right? You don't need a lot. And then, which one is this one here?
That's the vinegar.
I'll add a splash of that as well.
Lots of great flavor. I'm using apple cider vinegar there. I really like apple cider. It is,
If it's apple cider, I think we'll do the whole thing. I think that's pretty good because you don't want it to be like super wilted, right? You want to have
perfect.
a little bit of firmness to it. Right here, so what I'm gonna do is just a little, a coarse chop of it.
Yeah.
Just like that.
Yeah.
Nothing too crazy, right? And then you just put it on top, right at the end when you're about to eat.
Wonderful, when it's ready to be served.
Yep.
And we're going to go to that next. We're going to plate everything so you can see it all together, all the beautiful colors of autumn's bounty here.
Right?
It's very exciting. Yeah, we'll be back.